Hey there, fellow traders! Today is Tuesday, 6 a.m. September 10th, and we're kicking off the day with 5 key things you absolutely need to know before the opening bell rings in New York. Are you ready for another thrilling day on the market roller coaster? It's a wild ride, traders, full of twists, turns, and the occasional loop-de-loop. But fear not, because with a little knowledge and a whole lot of guts, we can navigate this crazy world together and come out on top. We'll check the VIX Fear and Greed Index, Market Analyzer, and the news on Forex Factory. Let's kick it off with everyone's favorite roller coaster, the VIX. If you don't know, the VIX is basically like checking the weather for the stock market. Today it's showing 19.84, a small plus 0.38 increase, which means it's up by 1.95%. So what does that even mean? It's like saying, hey, today's a little windy, so hold on to your hats. The market is moving but not going wild like it's on a sugar rush. Yet, but keep an eye on it. A calm market can always turn spicy. Now, let's check the vibes with the Fear and Greed Index. This thing basically tells you if traders are freaked out, fear, or getting greedy, which is when they think they're about to make it big. Right now, it's sitting at 43%. What does that mean? Imagine you're at a party, and 43% of the people are dancing cautiously, looking around to make sure they don't step on anyone's toes. It's not full panic mode, but folks are definitely watching their steps. If you're trading today, just remember, it's all about balance. Don't be too scared or too greedy. Play it cool. You got this. Now, let's take a quick pit stop at the Market Analyzer. Here's where we check out the main players. First up, we have the E-mini S&P 500, and it's rocking 123,000 today. Not too shabby. Then we've got the DOW at 14,500, and finally the NASDAQ at 63,000. Now, these numbers might look like the score of a high-scoring basketball game, but trust me, they're super important for traders. They tell us how strong the market is right now. So if you're into trading, use these numbers as your guide for the day. Plan your moves like a chess master, and don't forget to have a little fun with it. So, apparently FOMC member Barr is speaking today, but here's the thing, don't sweat it too much. While Barr might have some important stuff to say, it's not going to shake the market like an earthquake. If Barr was going to drop a bombshell, we'd all be glued to our screens like it's the Super Bowl. But, nah, this is more like background music at a coffee shop. Nice to listen to, but not something you need to stop your day for. EU economic forecasts. All eyes are on the EU's economic outlook today. With talk of a potential rate cut from the ECB later this week, it's a crucial day for European market watchers. OPEC monthly report. The OPEC monthly report drops today. We'll be checking out their short-term oil price predictions. Cryptos and commodities. Cryptos are on the move with some wild swings. Bitcoin is hovering around $56,000 and Ethereum's at $2,300. Also, keep an eye on US coffee prices at $249 today. Gold futures are around $2,533. Fourth impulse. Asian markets and US stocks. Asia's indices are mixed today. The Nikkei and Hong Kong's Hang Seng are both up by 0.2%, while the Shanghai Composite is down by 0.3%. On Wall Street, the markets ended up in the green yesterday with the S&P 500 up 1.1%, NASDAQ up 1.1%, and Dow Jones up 1.2%, all closing higher. Fifth impulse. Macro data. In Europe, watch out for Spain and Italy's industrial production, Germany's CPI, and the UK's unemployment numbers. Over in the US, we'll get the Red Book Retail Sales Index and hear from a few FOMC members. Remember, the market is like a wild beast, unpredictable and always on the move. But that's what makes it thrilling. The secret to making it big is to stay informed, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Dive into everything you can read, keep up with the news, and most importantly, get involved. You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to start investing. Begin small, do your homework, and don't fear making mistakes. I'd love to hear what you're focusing on in the market today. What's exciting you? What's making you anxious? Let's chat about it. Until next time, happy trading. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow, traders.